In this session, we'll be discussing on adding new key value pairs to the dictionaries. See, dictionaries are normally dynamic structure. It means you can add new key value pairs to dictionaries at any point of time. To add a new key value pairs, first you have to give the name of the dictionary, which is followed by a new key given within a square bracket and followed by the value that has to be assigned to the key, right? So first you should type the name of the dictionary, which is followed by the square bracket, and you have to give the key, right? And for that key you have to assign a value for that, right? So we'll work within a simple example. Let's add one piece of information in the dogs breed category. Say one more dog breed, say a French bulldog. So I'm going to add one more dog breed, say French bulldog. So in this case, here the dictionary name that we have is dog breed, followed by the square bracket. And in this case, I'll be adding a new key. In this case, we have 4 keys over here. D4 is a key. In this case, I'll be taking D5 is a key, and I'll be assigning a new value for that. The new value is a new dog breed that I've taken is French bulldog, right? And we'll execute it and we'll see whether the key pair value would have been added into the dictionary name. So shift enter. Yes, now it has been added. So in this case, you see that the D5 new key value pair D5 French bulldog has been added, right? So if I say the values, suppose I say what are the values we have, dog breed dot values, and we execute it, you find that a new value called French bulldog has been added, right? If I say what are the dictionary items, you can type dog breed dot items and shift enter. So in this case, you find that in the dictionary items you have D5, which has been added as French bulldog.